Just like day follows night and what shoots up falls down, those who left the megacity for some rest, recreation, and renewal of kindred spirits in the provinces find themselves back from whence they came. And much to their dismay, frankly. Our Gab Humilde tells us more on the mass migration back to the megacity after the fleeting Christmas break.
Jovi happily celebrated Christmas and New Year in his hometown in Porac, Pampanga. Today, he decided to go home because he needs to report for work this evening.
Babalik na ulit sa trabaho para kain ulit.
Gilbert, on the other hand, spent Christmas with his relatives in Olongapo and celebrated the New Year in Baguio. He is scheduled to return to Marinduque because classes had already resumed.
Hahabol lang po kami ngayong bukas. Hahabol po kami ng aming school.
According to the terminal master of the bus company, their trips going to Metro Manila are almost fully booked, especially those from Olongapo, Baguio, and Western Pangasinan. The number of those who booked this holiday season is also higher than last year. Even though the trips are fully booked, the bus company was still able to deploy augmentation units to meet the demand of passengers, helped immensely by the special permit granted to them by the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB.
Naisakay naman po natin lahat sila. Hindi naman po natin hindi po sila nagtagal, naisakay po sila ng maayos, naisakay po sila ng mabilis sa ating mga bus. Kumbaga, dikit-dikit po yung mga bus natin kaya nakasakay po sila kagad. Lahat naman ng dumarating natin, hindi naman po nagtatagal dito. Binabato rin namin sa kanila para maisakay din po lahat ng pasero sa daan. Nakikipag-coordinate din kami sa mga field partner sa daan namin nang sa ganon, ma-sustain natin kung saan marami demand ng pasero, kung saan, doon po kami magpapadalang maraming bus.
Gab Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.